everyone, welcome to Yourpedia. And in this video, we are going to discuss some very important HR questions related to the organization Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, that is RCFL. And while discussing all the important HR questions which can be asked in your interview, make sure you prepare these questions very wisely. You can download the documentation, the link is there in the description below. Whenever you download the documentation, it becomes very feasible for you to practice the question. Keep on ticking the question whichever you have practiced. Make sure you practice every question in your snap session also. Get the best of the answers if you are not able to frame it on your own. And in case of any discrepancy, you can also just put up in the comment section any of your problem or any of the question you are not able to exactly extract what can be the best of an answer. And while talking about the HR, see, HR is only going to check up your personality. It does not require the best of the answer, but it yes requires the smart, logical, concise, precise answer in your interview. So whenever you are practicing, make sure your answers are not very elaborative. They are focusing on certain fact, sticking to some pointers and what the interviewer is actually looking up in your personality. For sure, we are going to target in this interview documentation multiple domains. The very first focus is about the organization, that is about RCFL. Like under which ministry does RCFL come and who is the minister in charge for it? When was RCFL established? Like some kind of a history, you need to read about it, the background journey, and the website is the best solution for that. The vision, mission, objectives of RCFL and how does it coincide with the mission, vision and objectives of your life? Different business verticals of RCFL, main products of RCFL, from where did you get the inspiration to join RCFL? So in short, yes, they want to know from where, when was the first time you got to know about RCFL, any of your known who is working in RCFL. Where is the head office of RCFL, current chairman? Tell something about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Are we self-reliant in fields of fertilizers? How many other PSUs or fertilizer, public sector fertilizer companies India has? Name some company competitors of RCFL. When they're asking about the competitors, they would make sure that have you read what is the current scenario and where does RCFL stands? What are the products being framed by it? What if you don't get in RCFL and what is your plan B? And why you want to join in RCFL? If you did not get any job till now, what is the reason that why did not you join any private sector till now? Or why has been there a long gap in that domain? Okay, so when did you hear about RCFL for the first time? Why was RCFL in news recently? So this is very important. To read the last 6 months, you just go type Google on the Google RCFL, go in the news section also. Though we have covered the most important things in the documentation, but still I always say so, you do it your own research, you go for the last 6 months, the important news, and you can verify what has been, why has been RCFL in the recently news or in the past 6 months, what has been the most important domains in which RCFL has been working. Then it can be as, you can be telling at houses that name some customers of RCFL, which one is the biggest fertilizer company in India, name the operating units of RCFL, what is urea, its chemical fertilizers, brand fertilizers of RCFL, what is ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and yes, ISO 45001, very important for you guys. What you're understanding by sustainability, the profit which it has earned, the captive power plant, green power is generated by RCFL, how much is that, toll-free number which is being provided by RCFL to farmers, and what are the various R&D efforts of RCFL. So before I leave this part, I always tell you to learn or read the website very carefully. What is the motto, mission, vision, how it's comprehending with yours. The reason is not that they are checking someone who is very intelligent, who is able to answer everything. It is just you have done your back-end work, the research you have done while coming for that interview, that plays a very crucial role. So make sure you read the website twice, thrice. It can be very generic. Have you gone through our website? Where the logo has been placed? How would you rate our website out of 10? So these are some very generic questions. They are not checking up how intelligent you are, but how much you can say attentive you were at that time, how you can say efficiently you have gone through that website. So that is the very first domain. Don't forget to read about the organization, which is very important for any interview. Then is about you. When did you hear about RCFL first time? Why do you want to join RCFL? Why chemical and fertilizers company, being an electrical engineer? So how does your being, that how are going to match the domains, your hobbies, your interests? See, it's all about your SWOT analysis, academic and personal background. Why do you think yourself to be suitable for this job? Past achievements, failures, why this gap in career, why you did not join any job so far, how are you upskilling yourself during gap, your contribution to the nation and society so far. How are you unique? Something special about you, why we should consider you instead of others, your short-term, long-term goals, careers, objectives, 3 most important reasons that why you should be considered. How do you spend your time when you have nothing to do? Justify your interest and sustainability for RCFL. These has been the record which has been given us by the students, that these are the HR questions which have been asked till now by them, for them, right? So by the interviewers, so basically what you have to do is whenever you are preparing for yourself, it is about even your introduction, any of the answer, 3 traits. So be very attentive. If they have asked you 3 traits, only you can say that focus on the 3 traits which you are going to mention, and they should be or you can say be very suitable for that profile. It should not be you start giving a very exaggerated answer. I've seen the students in the snaps, they start giving very, very elaborative answers, and that's not a right take. You have to be very concise, precise, shorten your length, provide them the facts and the rational and the logical thinking. Most welcome in any answer. Then yes, it is about your academic background, your BTech, MTech projects, what do you learn about internship, why do you want to join MTech, application of MTech project, why not an MNC, why you could not get job through campus placement, and other alternatives you have kept, why did you, you did not do MTech, how is your MTech linked to the job in RCFL. Then yes, about if you had done any kind of a job related to that, experiences which are very, very common and which are very important for any job profile. It is your job experience, the current roles and responsibilities, why you left it out, why you think RCFL is better than that, what was wrong in your previous job, your achievements in previous job, because when you tell them your achievements, obviously it showcases you have been a very good employee, and if you have been a good employee in the past, you can be certainly a very good employee in the future for them too. Then as yes, your contributions in the past job, what did you learn in your job? Some kind of a skills like team management, like I would say it out, coordination and cooperation with the seniors and juniors, that you learn while being in that job only. So this is very important. What did you learn in your job? Your past experiences, how it will be helping you in RCFL. Why will you not leave RCFL in future if you get some better options? And tell some problems you faced, the shortcomings, the lapses in the previous jobs, or why about your organization. So never ever, I always say, complain about your previous organization. That showcases the mindset a person has, the attitudinal issues. If you will complain, if you have a complaining nature, you will be complaining in the future about your future organizations also. So never showcase that attitude to an interviewer. Then it is tell some situations you faced during job and how did you solve it out. Related to miscellaneous, yes, the job location, the food barriers, is it okay for you? Are you ready to serve anywhere in India? What if you realize after a couple of years that RCFL was not your cup of tea? How shall you maintain work-life balance in case of job pressure? Are you ready to work extra hours in case of project pressure? What does you, if you get job in your own home state in future? What if some MNC offer you double the salary? How Make in India, Atmanirbhar Bharat program of government relevant for RCFL? And what if you get opportunity in some foreign destination? So related to see the kind of a profile, the work profile, the location, the food barriers, the language barriers. So it just needs a smart answers. That yes, ma'am, I'm very comfortable in the food barriers and all that, because I've been a person who's very adaptable in nature. Related to language barriers, it should not be that, ma'am, I'll learn it out in a very short interval. You cannot. It will be, ma'am, at the very start, we all have Google translators and we all are technocrats. So I think that Google Translator can play a very crucial role. But later to that, I think that, ma'am, with the slowly and steady pace, when you can also learn certain jargons, and yes, the language in the, you can say slowly and steadily, that can be learned. So never ever say quickly, I'm learning a language in the next 2-3 days. Not possible for you guys, right? So give very smart answers, rational answers should be there in your approach, and keep on preparing your best. Do not forget to download the documentation. The link is there in the description below. Any doubts, please drop up in the comments. All the best, keep preparing. See you soon in the snap sessions too. Bye-bye.